Welcome to Las Palmas de Gran Canaria. This vibrant capital in the Canary Islands is a true hidden gem. From golden beaches to historic old towns, Las Palmas has something for every traveler. In this video, I'll show you 13 must-do adventures, plus insider tips to help you experience the city like a local. Grab your notebook and get ready to add new places to your travel bucket list. Let's dive in. First up, Las Canteras Beach, the city's crown jewel and a true urban paradise. Stretching along the northern coast of Las Palmas, this beach is more than just a place to swim. It's the beating heart of the city, where locals and visitors come together to enjoy the best of island life. This 3-kilometer stretch of golden sand is perfect for families building sand castles, sunbathers soaking up the warm Canarian sun, and surfers heading out with their boards in search of the perfect wave. The beach is always buzzing with activity, yet there's plenty of space to find your own spot and unwind. Thanks to the natural lava reef that runs parallel to the shore, much of the water here is calm and crystal clear, making it ideal for swimming, snorkeling, or simply floating and letting your worries drift away. Kids can safely splash in the shallows, while more adventurous swimmers can explore the reef's marine life. The southern end of Las Canteras is a hotspot for surfers, with consistent waves and a laid-back vibe. Meanwhile, the lively promenade that runs the length of the beach is lined with inviting restaurants, cozy cafes, and vibrant bars, making it the perfect place for a leisurely stroll or a delicious meal with a view. Whether you're grabbing a morning coffee as the city wakes up, indulging in a fresh seafood lunch with the sound of the waves in the background, or toasting with friends over sunset cocktails, the energy here is absolutely contagious. There's a sense of community and joy that fills the air. My top tip: stay for sunset. As the day winds down, the sky lights up in brilliant colors, painting the clouds in shades of orange, pink, and purple. Watching surfers catch the last waves of the day against this stunning backdrop is an experience you won't soon forget. It's the perfect place to relax, people watch, and soak up the city's spirit. You'll see families sharing laughter, couples strolling hand in hand, and groups of friends making memories that will last a lifetime. Don't rush. Let the atmosphere sink in. Take a deep breath, listen to the gentle sound of the waves, and let yourself be carried away by the laid-back rhythm of Las Palmas. Las Canteras truly captures the soul of Las Palmas. From street musicians serenading passersby to artists painting the vibrant scenery, there's always something happening here that makes every visit unique. Once you've experienced Las Canteras, you'll understand why so many people fall in love with this place. You'll want to come back again and again, discovering something new each time you visit. Next, step back in time in Vegueta, the city's historic heart. Wander cobblestone streets, admire colonial architecture, and discover centuries-old plazas. Plaza de Santa Ana, with its grand cathedral, is a must-see. On Thursday nights, join locals for tapas night. Hop between bars for delicious bites and drinks. Let yourself get lost, follow your curiosity, and savor classic Canarian dishes like papas arrugadas with mojo sauce. Vegueta is where history, food, and culture come alive. In Vegueta, don't miss Casa de Colón, Columbus House. This museum, set in stunning historic buildings, explores the Canary Islands' role in transatlantic exploration. See old maps, ship replicas, and learn about Columbus's legendary stopover. The lush courtyards are a peaceful retreat, and the resident parrots add a playful touch. Take your time to soak in the history and atmosphere. It's a must for history buffs and curious travelers alike. Cross the ravine to Triana, Las Palmas' stylish shopping and cultural district, where history and modern life blend seamlessly. As you step into this vibrant neighborhood, you'll immediately notice the lively energy that fills the air, with locals and visitors mingling along the bustling streets. Stroll down Calle Triana, the district's main artery, for a delightful mix of big-name brands and unique local boutiques. Here, you can browse everything from the latest fashion to handcrafted jewelry and quirky souvenirs, all while soaking up the friendly, cosmopolitan vibe that makes Triana so special. Admire the elegant early 20th century architecture, with its ornate facades and colorful details, and don't hesitate to pop into artisan shops tucked away on the side streets. These hidden gems offer everything from handmade ceramics to local artwork, giving you a true taste of Canarian creativity. Triana is also packed with cozy cafes and bakeries, perfect for a mid-afternoon merienda. Treat yourself to a fresh pastry or a strong coffee, and enjoy the relaxed pace of life as you watch the world go by from a sun-dappled terrace. For a real taste of local life, visit on a weekday afternoon. You'll see families, friends, and business people all sharing the same space, chatting over coffee or simply enjoying the lively street scene as the city moves at its own rhythm. Don't miss the Gabinet Literario, a stunning neoclassical building at the district's southern end. This cultural landmark is not only an architectural gem, but also a hub for art exhibitions, concerts, and literary events, making it a must-see for anyone interested in the city's creative spirit. Triana blends modern energy with authentic Canarian charm, offering a unique atmosphere where tradition meets innovation. As evening falls, the district comes alive with music, laughter, and the warm glow of streetlights, inviting you to linger a little longer. It's a shopper's paradise and a window into daily life, where every corner tells a story and every visit reveals something new. Whether you're here to shop, eat, or simply soak up the atmosphere, Triana is a district you'll want to return to again and again. Back in the heart of Vegueta, the Santa Ana Cathedral rises majestically above the historic quarter, its twin towers and grand facade dominating the skyline of Las Palmas. This iconic landmark is not just a place of worship, but a symbol of the city's rich heritage and architectural splendor. Construction of the cathedral began in the late 15th century and continued for hundreds of years, resulting in a fascinating blend of architectural styles. As you gaze at its exterior, you'll notice the soaring Gothic arches and intricate stonework, seamlessly merging with elegant neoclassical elements added in later centuries. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a breathtaking interior. The cathedral's columns, inspired by the trunks of palm trees, stretch upward toward the vaulted ceiling, creating a forest of stone. Sunlight streams through vibrant stained glass windows, casting colorful patterns across the ancient floor and filling the space with a serene glow. For an unforgettable experience, take the modern elevator up to the bell tower. As you ascend, you'll get a sense of the cathedral's scale and the craftsmanship that went into its construction. The anticipation builds as you approach the top. Once at the summit, you're rewarded with sweeping panoramic views. From this vantage point, you can spot the colorful rooftops of Vegueta, the bustling port where ships come and go, and even the golden sands of Las Canteras beach stretching along the coast. On a clear, sunny day, the vistas are truly spectacular. The city unfolds beneath you, bathed in bright Canarian light, with the blue Atlantic Ocean shimmering in the distance. It's the perfect spot for photos, or simply to take in the beauty of Las Palmas. Look down and you'll see the historic Plaza de Santa Ana, framed by elegant buildings and lined with the famous bronze dog statues that have become beloved symbols of the city. The plaza is a lively gathering place, full of history and local charm. Visiting the Santa Ana Cathedral isn't just about admiring its architecture, it's about experiencing Las Palmas from a unique perspective, connecting with centuries of history, and discovering the enduring beauty that defines this remarkable city. Foodies, head to Mercado de Vegueta, the city's oldest market. Explore stalls overflowing with tropical fruits, Canarian potatoes, local cheeses, and fresh seafood. This is where locals shop, and the energy is infectious. Chat with passionate vendors and sample specialties like queso de flor and tiny sweet bananas. Visit in the morning for the liveliest atmosphere. Grab a snack or enjoy a fresh meal at one of the market's small bars. It's a delicious way to connect with local culture. At the end of Las Canteras Beach stands the striking Alfredo Kraus Auditorium. Designed to resemble a fortress or lighthouse, it's a modern architectural icon. The concert hall boasts world-class acoustics and a massive window overlooking the Atlantic. Even if you don't catch a show, the building is worth a visit, especially at sunset. Walk around, snap photos, and enjoy the dramatic contrast of stone and sea. Check the schedule for performances if you're a music lover. The auditorium is a bold symbol of Las Palmas' creative spirit. Parque de Santa Catalina is the city's social hub, always buzzing with life. Surrounded by cafes and bars, it's a favorite meeting spot for locals and visitors. By day, enjoy coffee on a terrace. By night, experience vibrant nightlife and street performances. The park hosts the world-famous Carnival of Las Palmas. Don't miss it if you're here in February or March. It's also home to the Elder Museum of Science and Technology. Visit at different times to see the park's changing moods. Santa Catalina is where Las Palmas comes together to celebrate. Dive into the Poema-del-Mar Aquarium, a spectacular tribute to marine life. Journey through jungle, reef, and deep ocean zones, each teeming with fascinating species. The Deep Ocean exhibit features one of the world's largest curved viewing windows. Watch sharks and rays glide by. The aquarium is perfect for families and anyone curious about the sea. Buy tickets online to skip the line and plan to spend a couple of hours exploring. The focus on conservation and education makes it both fun and meaningful. It's an awe-inspiring, immersive experience. For wild beauty, head to El Confital, just beyond Las Canteras. This protected natural area features rugged volcanic coastline, legendary surf, and panoramic city views. Hike the boardwalk or trails, watch surfers tackle the waves, or simply sit on the rocks and listen to the ocean. It's a peaceful escape from the city's bustle. Pack water and sturdy shoes for your adventure. Sunset here is magical, perfect for a picnic with a view. El Confital is Las Palmas's untamed side. Immerse yourself in Canarian culture at Pueblo Canario, set in Parque Doramas. This charming village showcases traditional architecture and hosts free folk music and dance performances. Visit on Thursday afternoons or Sunday mornings for live shows in the central square. Explore the Nestor Museum and browse local handicrafts. Enjoy a meal in the courtyard restaurant and soak up the peaceful atmosphere. Pueblo Canario is a delightful, family-friendly cultural escape. Escape to the Jardín Botánico Viera y Clavijo, Spain's largest botanical garden. Set on a dramatic ravine, it's home to thousands of plant species from all 7 Canary Islands. Wander winding paths through laurel forests, cacti, and dragon trees. The garden is vast and tranquil, perfect for nature lovers and hikers. Wear comfortable shoes and plan to spend a few hours exploring. Pack a picnic and enjoy a peaceful break surrounded by unique flora. It's a living showcase of the island's biodiversity. End your adventure at the port of Las Palmas, the city's bustling maritime heart. Watch massive ships, ferries, and fishing boats in constant motion. Take a harbor tour for a close-up look at the port's impressive scale. Stroll the marina, filled with yachts from around the world. For a true local experience, dine at a seafood restaurant in San Cristobal. Fresh catch, ocean views, and authentic flavor. The port is a reminder of Las Palmas's global connections. It's the perfect finale to your city tour. That's 13 must-do adventures in Las Palmas de Gran Canaria. From beaches to history, wild nature to vibrant culture, this city has it all. Which spot are you most excited to visit? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this guide, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more travel inspiration. Until next time, happy travels!